Welcome to the ProfitGPT Quantitative Rebalancing Report for August 08, 2026. Let's review today's report agenda. Here is our report outline. We will cover macroeconomic environment, sentiment screening results, portfolio rebalancing adjustments, technical entry targets, and strategy backtest metrics. Starting with macroeconomic context, as of August 08, 2026, U.S. gross domestic product grew at an annualized 1.6% rate. CPI inflation trends remain closely watched as the Federal Reserve maintains a data-dependent policy stance near 5.5%. Sector rotation favors cash-generative market leaders. Reviewing index technicals, the S&P 500 is consolidating around 7,400, with horizontal support at 7,350. The Nasdaq composite remains supported by AI infrastructure spending, while elevated yields prompt selective rotations into quality names. Moving to sentiment leaders, HWM exhibits strong bullish momentum with institutional volume accumulation at $281.97. RCL also ranks high in our screen, backed by robust revenue guidance and analyst upgrades. For solid growth holdings, ADP holds constructively above its 50-day average of $240.17. BKR shows positive institutional cash flows, and DXCM provides reliable balance sheet diversification. Conversely, V faces momentum headwinds and overhead resistance. EOG is impacted by sector margin pressures, and HSD shows multiple compression as short-term momentum flags. Before revealing buy targets, subscribe to catch every weekly update. We are liquidating positions in V, EOG, HSD, INSI, GUG to eliminate holding drag and recycle capital into high-alpha candidates. We maintain core high conviction holds in HWM, RCL, ADP, minimizing portfolio turnover, and capturing primary upward trends above moving average support. We initiate new buy entries in top-ranked candidates including NVDA, AVGO, CCL, AMZN, allocating 9% per position to capture strong institutional momentum. Reviewing entry windows, HWM presents a favorable entry at $281.97. RCL trades in a supportive zone, while ADP RSI at 65.9 suggests setting limit orders near support. Our portfolio weights allocate 9% across 10 holdings, with a 10% cash reserve. Structured stop-loss at 8% and take profit at 18% enforce strict risk discipline. From May 22 to August 08, 2026, our ProfitGPT strategy achieved a cumulative return of 2.55% versus QQQ 0.88%, generating 1.67% active alpha with a Sharpe ratio of 0.78 and max drawdown of -5.95%.